Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about path to success. Yoga Nidra can be utilized to deal with anticipated stress by a process of living in advance. Every foreseeable physical and mental detail of a stressful event or encounter is rehearsed in the imagination as if it were happening perfectly. This is one of the greatest of all yogic practices for succeeding in life. Worry originates in the attempt to will a stressful situation away. This only increases its stressfulness, exaggerating it to the point of loss of confidence, anxiety, neurosis, psychosomatic disease, and failure in life. But even where willpower fails, the imagination succeeds. By utilizing the positive force of imagination and consciously directing it into the future, a course of action can be plotted which leaves no room for failure. Unpredictable outcomes are transformed into inevitable successes, and life becomes a process of conscious enactment. In recent years, this process has been recognized by some outstanding sportsmen, coaches and trainers who are utilizing it to enhance their performance and bring home gold medals. However, Yoga Nidra's real potential as a technique of self-realization has as yet been barely glimpsed. It can transform each event and situation of life, without exception, into a windfall and a milestone,